So, students, this is Mr. Holland again, and today we're going to go through Animated Atlas, Growth of a Nation, more specifically. So, what Animated Atlas is basically a 10-minute interactive timeline and video of the United States as it grows from 1790 to 2000. You can see this where we press play. We're just going to play straight through. You can actually pick which time periods you want, though, but we'll figure out how we can go to that later. As you can see, it starts off actually talking about, the first 13 colonies. And if we turn the sound on,
east of the Mississippi River, the new states of Vermont and New England, Kentucky, Tennessee.
So the speaker goes through all these different things, and you can also see that we have an option to click on these things. So if we wanted to learn more about, Massachusetts, we click on it, and it starts describing all this different stuff about Massachusetts. We can even click on Boston, Plymouth, Worcester, Springfield. Doesn't do anything, but we can click on them, and it gives you a bunch of information about this state. And as we can see, this is an engaging tool. It continues to go on, and we can learn more about this specific timeline. Timelines are very important in history, and history is a story, and you need to have the times down. And you can see that's moving a little bit. But say you already know enough about this era, so you're like, nah, I don't want to learn about Indiana. Let's learn about stuff in 1890. And the video will skip ahead where it'll talk about that stuff, and you can actually click on 1890, and it'll give you this timeline. And the timeline is everything that you need to know, about the states, territories, president, society, etc., etc. This is a very helpful tool, and I would encourage you to use it more as a helping you study resource to get these important dates, these important times down. This information is quite important. Thank you for listening. This was Mr. Holland signing off.